Hi, I am from PC Error Detective. In this video, I will show you how to clear recommended in Windows 11, and I will guide you step by step to remove recently opened items from your Start menu. This will help make your Start menu cleaner and more organized. Step 1. Right-click on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This opens a quick menu where you can access Start settings, which lets you customize how your Start menu looks and behaves. Step 2. Select Start settings from the menu. This will open the Start section of your Windows settings, where you can change what appears in the Start menu, including recommended items and pinned apps. Step 3. Change the layout from default to more pins. Doing this increases the number of pinned items and reduces the visible space for recommended items, making your Start menu look cleaner. Step 4. Turn off Show Recently Opened Items. This option controls whether your recently opened files, apps, and documents appear in the recommended section, so turning it off hides them from view. Step 5. Click on the Start menu again to confirm that the recently opened items are no longer displayed. And keep in mind that the recommended section itself cannot be completely removed in Windows 11, but this method will hide all recent activity. Method 2. Step 1. Open Settings by pressing Windows +I. This opens the main Windows settings panel where you can manage all your system preferences. Step 2. Go to Personalization. Here, you can change the look and feel of Windows, including the Start menu, taskbar, and desktop background. Step 3. Click on Start. This section allows you to control what appears in your Start menu, including pinned apps and recommended items. Step 4. Turn off Show Recently Opened Items in Start, Jump List, and File Explorer. This ensures that none of your recent files or apps show up anywhere in Windows, keeping your system more private. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.